Your favorite Princess Q2. What's up, cutie?
Hello.
So welcome to our channel. Hi, how are ya? Copyright infringement. So today we brought a video of $31 shopping challenge of Joy's outfit at Rel Vivit's new music video called Psycho! Perfect for you, sister. Yeah, I think so too. We saw the music video and I love the whole vibe.
Do you know one movie that really reminded me of?
No.
The Corpse Bride?
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
That kind of movie. What is the director name?
Tim Burton! Yes.
Something about like kind of like Tim Burton-ish kind of atmosphere. I felt like that.
It was very vintagey.
A little dark.
Yeah, but
Very
still
sexy.
cute. Kind of give that 80s flapper vibe too.
Yeah.
They all wore like this Greece goddess like dress, kind of like bridesmaid dress. I love her bangs too. Maybe we should cut it like that short.
No, that only works for her.
Yeah, we're gonna look so funny with that short bang.
We'll probably look like, you know, that grandma from The Incredibles.
Let's try how you look. If you have bang that short, it's gonna go like... So for today's outfit challenge, we're gonna do for Joy's outfit. And her stuff was quite expensive, sister. So her top blouse from this brand called Alessandra Rich is $900 for a blouse, but it's really pretty. It has like this baby doll kind of
Ruffles?
Yeah, ruffle in here.
Yeah.
And for the skirt, it's a crocodile embossed effect skirt from Lumio. So it's $970. That's not it, sister.
Oh yeah,
Her
the body
necklace,
chain.
her necklace pearl body chain is $685. Okay. And it doesn't show here, but she also does this like little bow on her head.
Yeah.
So we also got that one. It's really pretty. I loved it. For the blouse, we did find a similar blouse, but then for the top portion of this little ruffle thing, we're actually going to DIY. We'll talk about it after we come back from Goto. Oh, okay. Let's go for fabric shopping. So we're actually gonna do fabric shopping first before we go for the actual clothing at the Goto Mall, because tomorrow is the start of the Korean New Year's holiday. So probably this place...
Oh my gosh, sister.
What?
The holiday actually started today. So I'm not quite sure if the fabric place is open.
Today's Friday.
Yeah, but today is a holiday, sister. Let's try. Maybe it'll be open.
A lot of the stores are closed. Q1 was right. So quiet here. Look at this. It's all closed. No. It's all closed. We're screwed. Shit, it's closed. Okay. We probably will have to buy the ribbon at the Daiso, and we might have a white cotton fabric left in our house. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Because one of our cutie commented saying that y'all have a freaking comb in your bag. Y'all can have a small mini dryer in your bag too. I was like, so anyway, it was a total fail. Why did we came here? Waste of time. It's okay. Proud and loud. She's literally... Oh, the mighty of Brush, the spirit of Brush, give me the energy. Let's go to Goto Mall. Yeah, so now we're gonna go to Goto Mall. See you soon. We're here, kitties. It's gonna be easy. Do you need cash? I have a lot. Oh, okay.
Over meadows, inside sprung grass, lungs breathing in the darkness.
Oh, yes. I don't even have to DIY. Well, this should be black though. Like black and white. Okay, cutie, we found a perfect one, but the inner part needs to be black. Oh, that is so pretty. Man, only if they're like black and white. This place has so many pretty blouses. Oh, that was pretty. This is so cute. That was so fast. 15,001, right?
The lady thought we were Japanese.
Really? Yeah. So now we just need to buy a skirt and a ribbon. They have it, they have it. Those are cute. I think that's exactly the one. That one. Yeah. Yeah, it's that one. So it's this one and she does it like right there. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh my god, my sister's so cute. Kawaii. That's exactly the one. It's only 6,000. 6,001. Yeah. something like this.
No, actually, for like Seoul Fashion Week,
Yeah.
he said we can do something like this.
On where?
Here. Would that be cute?
So many options.
Find the strength in my shortcomings. Lies don't say.
This one's really unique. This one's 8,000. This is really cute.
I really like this.
It's like a double layer. It's pretty. The owner there, again, the weird Japanese.
That shop always has a lot of Japanese customers.
Yeah, it's full of all Japanese customers. Today, because it's a holiday, there's not many people. I can breathe here, finally. Okay, this whole thing is 10,000 won.
This is perfect.
Oh. And it's a skirt.
Yeah.
It's like a winter material.
See how these sweaters have like this little thing on the top?
Oh, it's attached.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
The sleeve too.
That's really cute. This vest is 10,000 won. It's so cheap.
So soft.
Ooh, so sharp. We got the skirt. Now we just need to get the necklace.
Well, it's actually a body chain,
But there's no way you can find a body
there's
chain
no-
here. So we're just gonna get a silver necklace. This is so cute.
this is exactly something that you make.
Yeah. You have to make this, sister.
You can do it. Yeah, of course I can. You're very talented. You got that right, babe?
I feel like a lot of the stores right now are slowly starting to release spring stuff. This whole layer. Oh, it's not a layer. Maybe just this? Oh, she does some kind of like this kind of thing, like silverish with this kind of pearl. Don't pick your nose. Okay. This one's 5,000. This one's 2,000. Layered together like that.
I think that's good enough.
I think this will be too.
You were nice to me. It's time to let you go. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay, cuties, we dropped the pearl necklace because we realized it wasn't $2. It was actually $15. We'll just ask Mama Kuki if she has a pearl necklace.
She has a real pearl.
Okay, kitties, we're done. Well, for the first time,
This wasn't that stressful.
yeah, for the first time, I'm doing a shopping challenge without sweating on my armpit.
For the first time and forever.
Okay. So this is their signature coffee. It has like milk, cream, and espresso.
Yeah.
It's called Art Coffee. It's cold, by the way. Okay.
Drink it.
I'm supposed to mix it.
Oh. They drink. Sister, ew.
Is this sweet?
No, it's more bitter. We have been missing out. We have been always drinking just black, dark coffee.
Americano.
I think we should mix this, sister. We definitely need to mix it.
You grab like a section of here like this, and then for the blouse, it was so easy to find. The moment we went in, we found it. Yeah, because that store always has the best blouse.
Yeah.
So if you kids are coming to Goto Mall to do shopping during like springtime when there's tons of blouse, make sure to go to that store. It's right beside the entrance. So we got this one.
This is 15,001.
We particularly went for this one because the sleeve really looked like hers. But this one is see-through.
But I like that
it's
one.
pretty. Definitely imagine having that little ruffle here. We're gonna make that ruffle.
And for the skirt, this was
10,001.
10,001.
It's actually a skirt. And the back side is an elastic waistband, so it's very comfortable. But this is one size, kitties, and I don't think that's one size. That's like small or medium. Small to medium. Yeah.
Fancy jewelry.
Yep, just for the top part. But then we're gonna layer with Mama Kuku's real pearl necklace together.
But this necklace was 5,001, so that was really cheap. So we got this bow. This was 6,001.
Hey, oh, it goes with my outfit today.
Oh, okay. Go, go, gaga.
I feel like I'm gonna try this for Fashion Week. Yeah, you were talking about doing this for Fashion Week. I think it's a great accessory. But you know, these days, scrunchies are more in. But our hair's too short. How are we gonna tie with scrunchie? Like that for Fashion Week? So the total was 36,00001, which is converted to $31. We're gonna use our own blouse.
Yeah, but this is actually not bad.
Oh, the dress. Yeah, so we're gonna use this to make the little napkin thing over here. What's the correct term? Did you say napkin?
Yeah.
Thing is that this one already has these ruffles.
Yeah, I think.
So I'm like, she kind of altered. So I'm thinking like just cut this and then use this as around here.
Yeah, right? Yeah, improvise. Then I'm gonna save so much time.
I have a lot of stuff to do today, sister, so.
And also, we were supposed to go to the Daiso and get that black ribbon thing, but it's not open. So what we're gonna use is this another story ribbon that we got when we bought something from there. Yeah. I'll just cut off this entire section right now.
So we're gonna drape on ourselves.
Yeah. Gather this part around your neck until you find the right length. Finish this side so that it's clean finish. Scrunch it, like gather it. Okay, so. So what do you think, sister? I need to secure it.
Sister, don't poke me, okay? I'm scared.
I'm just gonna roughly gather right now.
I'm so scared. Don't be. It's just will be a little poke and a little bleed. That's it. No biggie. Oh, it's pretty.
Well, I gotta cut this shit off.
I think the length came out okay.
Yeah. You just need to cut this. This is way too long.
We will cut that and then attach these ruffles around the neck
on the top.
so that we can clean finish it.
So here's the masterpiece. This is for the top part.
Put this piece on top of this to clean finish it.
Yep.
Perfect. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Were you stressing out? But you did it. What's the message here?
Don't give up.
It's just a way to tick-tock.
Yes! Marvelous! This is perfect, sister. Wow.
I think this turned out quite okay than I thought.
It's really good. Finishes the whole outfit.
I thought I ruined it, but
So you didn't. So I did the bow, but the way how I did it is that I just half tied it and then stuck in this ribbon.
Layers of necklace. And then
And the other story tie.
and then this DIY ruffles.
Yes.
And then the blouse.
Love the sleeve, right? It's really you can just wear it for spring.
And the skirt.
the skirt is actually, the size is very forgiving. I think it could easily be medium.
Yeah, but you can't be large,
Yeah,
right? But hers fit was more like A line, but yours is more like tight skirt. Hers is like really like A line.
like that.
Yeah.
Well, that's Miu Miu, so. Yeah. What again? This is like $10.
And I feel like the skirt's a little bit big on you.
It's a little bit big.
Yeah. But it's pretty, sister. You look nice.
Thank you. Thank you. I think
If I get rid of this, I could go out. Maybe I can stay with this.
Yeah, maybe drop
this one, then maybe I can go out like this.
Yeah,
It's pretty.
Thank you. So that's it, cuties.
I had really fun doing this. I think it was fun that we incorporate some DIY.
Okay, yeah, so if there's any other K-pop artists or even like Hollywood celebrities you cuties want us to recreate, then let us know in the comment section below.
A lot of cuties have been asking Ben from GOT7.
Oh, yeah.
And also the 17. We will do their airport fashion shopping challenge
Very
so
soon.
Please be patient with us, cuties.
Yes.
We'll do it for sure.
Yes.
And also a lot of you cuties asking Jungkook and V from BTS. We'll definitely do it, cuties.
Definitely.
Of course we will.
Starting from now, I think the Goto Mall is starting to put some like spring clothes. So this means more option for us because during winter, they only have like sweaters and cardigans.
Yeah.
Sweaters and cardigans. And I'm like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.